Yo, what's going on everyone? Today we got the Mavic 4 Pro. Currently DJI's best drone, except from, the cinema one that they use, known as the Inspire. The reason I didn't get a fly mode combo is because, to be honest, I feel like one battery is enough. It's rated for 51 minutes, so I thought I'd just stick with this one for now. If I do need more batteries, I can always buy more batteries in the future. First Mavic drone I had was actually the Mavic Mini, which was the first one DJI made. Oh, okay. Wow, that drone is huge. Oh wow, so we got some propellers, batteries. That's a lot of wires. What's going on? Alright, so first we have a Type-C cable, another Type-C cable, and then we have every single adapter that you would ever need for one country, another one, another one, another one, another one, and another one. This one I'm going to be using. Some props, that's good to see. We've got one, two, only two sets of props. I might have to order some in case, but it should be okay. Then we have the power brick, and then we have the controller. All that antenna there, you got some buttons around here, even some buttons on the back, sticks at the back here, Type-C cable, I think is that SD card slot, yeah. Okay, so this is the Mavic 4 Pro. Wow, this thing is heavy. How does this thing even fly? It's so heavy. Oh my days. Wow. This thing is a beast. Oh my days. Put it from here and then take this off here. Wow, look at these cameras. 3 very big sensors in this. So the quality on this is absolutely crazy. Take this off. Try not to. Sorry guys. Look at that. Also guys, as you see, I don't have a case for this, the bag, because obviously I didn't get the flyable combo. So I did get a case and it has come in advance, so let me just pull it out. Okay, so this is the case. I'm going to put the drone and controller inside, so let's just move everything out of the way. This is too much. I think this case was about £40. Not super high quality, but I think it'll get the job done. So obviously different cutouts for the different controllers. There you go. That fits perfectly. Now let's put the drone inside. It fits perfectly. Yeah, that fits pretty nicely. Power adapter. Put that in there. Put that inside here. I love how there's so much space. Follow my Instagram. I'm posting a lot of drone stuff there, even FPV drone stuff. You don't want to miss out. Also, I got a new business. Here's the website. Link in the description. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
حمدا لك ربي أحييت روحي وأنرت قلبي شكرا لك ربي